Hi friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Today we will learn more about honey and how is it good for weight loss. Let us begin. Honey, a natural sweetener with a rich history, is often touted as a healthier alternative to refined sugar. But when it comes to weight loss, can honey really play a beneficial role? With its unique properties and nutritional profile, honey might offer some advantages, but it's important to understand how to use it effectively as part of a balanced diet. Now let us see which is a healthier option, honey or sugar. One of the main reasons honey is considered better for weight loss than sugar is its lower glycemic index. The glycemic index measures how quickly a food raises blood sugar levels. Honey has a lower GI compared to refined sugar, meaning it causes a slower rise in blood sugar levels, which can help prevent energy crashes and unnecessary hunger. So the next benefit is it's rich in antioxidants. Honey contains antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acid, which help combat oxidative stress in the body. By reducing inflammation and improving overall health, these antioxidants might contribute indirectly to weight management. Inflammation is often linked to obesity, so consuming antioxidant-rich foods like honey can support a healthy metabolism. Next, it helps curb cravings. Due to its natural sweetness, honey can satisfy sweet cravings, potentially reducing the urge to reach for unhealthy snacks. A teaspoon of honey in warm water or tea can act as a natural appetite suppressant and help you feel more satisfied. It's a healthier alternative to sugary processed snacks that can lead to overeating. Next, it boosts metabolism. Some studies suggest that honey can help improve metabolism. Honey contains small amount of vitamins and minerals such as B vitamins that may support fat burning and energy production. Consuming honey before exercise can also give you a quick source of energy without the crash associated with processed sugar. Thus, while honey can be a healthier alternative to refined sugar, it's important to use it in moderation when aiming for weight loss. It offers benefits such as reducing cravings and supporting metabolism, but consuming it in excess can still contribute to weight gain. For the best results, incorporate honey into a balanced, healthy diet and exercise plan. Unlock natural weight loss with honey, boost metabolism, curb cravings, and burn fat effortlessly. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.